I was going to take this week off from making a weekly Making Sense of Your Market video until I saw a parody of a mortgage guy talking to clients about interest rates and buying opportunities dated all the way back to 2010. And it was actually very funny and entertaining. I'll probably put the link in the description below. But he was talking about all the things that we have said as mortgage lenders since 2008, 9, and 10, when the Obama administration was giving incentives to buy homes, tax incentives, tax credits, all of this stuff, all the way to current. Like, you should buy now before rates go up. You should buy now before home values go up. You should buy now regardless of having to offer $100,000 over. And then after 2021, how we addressed people's concerns about the markets. I can tell you that I never once said date the rate, marry the home. Never said that. I think that's garbage. But I can tell you that I have been consistent in my messaging throughout the years, even when interest rates are high, especially when interest rates are high. Buy the home if you qualify for it, if it meets your needs. Big picture, long term, it's a great investment, regardless of the interest rate. You can always rework the interest rate. Now, strategically speaking, there's opportunities in markets. Right now, we've seen 9 days in a row where we've seen improved mortgage rate conditions. You got to hear me out on this. We know, because the Fed's been transparent, the government, the presidency's been transparent. The head of Fannie Mae tweeted last Monday that Jerome Powell he's the Fed chairman, needs to drop the Fed rate. It's going to happen, okay? Now, they're saying there's a great likelihood of the Fed rate dropping in July. That's this month. And then again in the next month or two. So what does this mean to you? We're seeing, I just read an article today, there's $900 billion. Homeowners right now in America are sitting on $900 billion in equity. Many of those homeowners want to sell. I'm seeing articles all over about this, the slowest the housing market's been since 2018. That's not a bad thing. The housing market was not that slow. We're seeing homes staying on the market for 30, 40, 60 days. That's not a bad thing. We're conditioned to homes being sold right away. In a normal market, 30 to 45 to 60 days is not abnormal at all. The second rates drop into the low sixes, that's going to flip. That's going to happen in the near future. You've got to hear me on this. There's an opportunity right now. If you're a buyer, the time is now. It's yours. You got to share this information. I can tell you, I've studied cycles, I've studied trends since 2008, since I got in the mortgage industry. I pay close attention to this stuff. I do a high volume of mortgages. I've got a lot of experience here. Sellers, this is a time to pay attention to the market. I don't want to say wake up, but if you're thinking about selling your home or wanting to sell your home, this is the time to get ready to do so. There's going to be opportunities for both buyers and sellers in the coming months, unlike anything we've seen since 2020. Take that to the bank, if you will. So, what do you need to do to prepare? If you're thinking about selling and you want to sell, or more specifically, don't worry about selling. If you want to buy or if you need to buy, there's solutions right now. We have 3 incredible bridge loans, an all cash loan. I've got about 5 or 6 options for homeowners to go out and purchase another home without having to sell theirs. So without having to make a contingent offer. Number 1, buyers. If you're wanting to buy right now, there's opportunities where some sellers are giving discounts. They're giving seller credits. Like I saw a $24,000 seller credit last week. That will not be there when rates start to drop. So my message this week, there's opportunities right now like crazy in the market. Number 2, do not pay attention to headlines. Headlines are designed to get clicks and to get views. Pay attention to pros that are in the trenches every single day like I am. Now, number 3, enjoy your holiday weekend. This is a weekend to relax. The housing market always seems to die down in July for some reason, vacations, holidays. Enjoy your weekend. I'll come back next week with another update. Every single morning, 2 last things. Every single morning, when the market opens, I post a mortgage rate update on my Instagram. It does sync to Facebook. I would encourage you to follow me on Instagram for that, so you can just kind of keep in touch with that. Number 2, I've got a client event. It's super casual. I'm renting the Ben & Jerry's ice cream truck, pulling it right up curbside, right here on Colby Avenue at my office next week. I want to say, look down below. I think it's like Thursday, July 10th or July 8th, okay? Come out. and see us for some free Ben & Jerry's ice cream. It's a way for me to say thank you for being a great client. Thank you for sending me all the business that you guys do, the recommendations, the referrals. I hope you're having a great summer. I hope this information helps. Reach out to me if you need anything, and I hope to see you at my cool, I think I'm calling it like a cool clients club next week. Bye for now. Happy 4th.